Hi Virgos, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your energies for the month of November 2021. So this is going to be a love reading, purely love reading for this month. So we will be looking at your as well as your person's energies in this reading. What is exactly happening in between both of you and how they are feeling towards you. Okay, so for those people who are here not for the love guidance, so you can, this is not the reading for you today. I'm really sorry for that, but this is going to be a situational based reading. So if the situation also doesn't matches with you, so then also you should discontinue watching this video. Okay, so this is for those people who will exactly match my reading. Only for those people, this is the guidance energy. Okay, so let's see Virgo's person's energy in the first. What are they feeling? What are they wanting to tell you but cannot tell you? Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay, so we have the Five of Swords, Star, and the Ten of Cups. So I feel somewhere that your person is trying for a reconciliation. There could have been something like a situation when you both had some ego clashes in the past, or could have been some kind of a deceit or deception or trickery involved. Lies were told, so that is the reason you were not together. Okay, so right now also there is some, basically they are saying that you are my gift. You are my gift, my love, my wish, my inspiration, and my happiness. I always want you. This is what they are trying to tell you, but they might not be able to tell you at this time. They want to make a family with you, okay? But the problems, the clashes between you, between them, you and them, between your families also could have been family also could have been involved in the situation. But definitely the clashes were very strong, and this is the reason you both are separated from each other at this time. Okay, because I see strong reconciliation energies from your person's end here. Okay, so this is your energy now. The Fool, the Moon, and Four of Cups. So you are either not ready for any kind of reconciliation or any kind of communication with them, because you are trying to reject them. It feels like you are saying to them that I feel bored, I feel stuck with you when it comes to you, because I'm already in an emotional mess at the moment, and this is the reason I'm not ready to give you commitment, whatever commitment you want. So you over here are trying to reject this person, or you're not letting the energies come towards you, so that the feeling is not similar between both of you. That is what I am getting. You can be in the mess of something else, emotional mess, because of them or because of something else. It could be anything, but definitely this is somewhere you do not want the things to, because if you will get back to them again, same things will repeat, and you do not want to enter in the same cycle as of now. Okay, understood. Let me see some future energies for you for the month of November, how these energies will be with you both. We have Six of Cups, the Queen of Wands, and the High Priestess. Okay, so definitely I see some kind of a reconciliation, because this is somebody who is not turning back. You might be dealing with a Leo over here, Virgos, because somebody is trying to be really happening, like I want you and I want you. This is somebody who is, your person is trying to get you back to them, because they feel that there is a deep intuitive and spiritual bond with you, which they do not want to leave. They think that you are their soulmate. They feel that you are everything to them, and they have seen how miserable they were when they were without you. So they feel so much of liveliness when they think about you. They feel that you were that they have known you from past lives, or from past life, or from childhood. But yeah, there is some, in the month of November there is some communication which I feel, which is coming towards you. Okay, but it is up to you whether you will accept that communication or not, but definitely there's a communication coming up. Okay, so let's see Let me check your some more energies from your person and from you. Some more energies. Okay. They really want to give all the love, with the Six of Pentacles and the Empress. They want to give all the love and respect you deserve. They want to give it to you. They want the same thing as well. They think that there was a sensual, deep bond with you, and they do not want to lose that. But you, at the same side, there is the death energy from your end. You feel like, this transformation, this change is needed. And if we are not together, this is for a reason. Just take whatever the universe is trying to tell us, just take that guidance, because this is for our highest good. Trust the process. Okay, this is what you are trying to tell them, because you want to move on from them, whatever has happened. You are not ready to accept any sorries, because things were maybe very, very miserable in the past. 2 more cards I need. So we have the Empress and the Emperor in the deck in your reading. Okay, so we have the Emperor and the Page of Wands here. So yeah, a person has made a decision. It feels like your person has made a decision of not turning back now. They want you, they have decided for you. They have that you are the one, and they really want to support you. Okay, they want that support from you as well. They are really confident with this relationship. They know that they will come back, and they will actually, they will take you from any problem in which you are in. They really feel that you are the one for them. Wow. So if you want any clarification with this, and if you want to take a personalized reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there. Okay, and that is all from my side for today. So I hope that helps, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.